In this video, I'm going to show you how to save all your photos on iCloud. So if you want to save all your photos on iCloud, this video will walk you through the exact steps to make sure everything is backed up automatically. So first, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now once you're inside Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen. So this will open your Apple ID settings. Next, what you need to do is to tap on iCloud. Now look for the option called Photos and tap on it. Inside the photo settings, you'll see an option called Sync this iPhone. So turn this option on if it's turned off. So as you can see, it's turned on. Now once you enable this, all the photos and videos on your iPhone will automatically upload to iCloud. So this means your entire photo library will be saved and accessible across all your Apple devices. Next, you'll see two options below. So the first is Optimize iPhone Storage. So this keeps smaller versions of your photos on your device while the full quality versions are stored in iCloud. The second option is Download and Keep Originals. So this keeps full resolution photos on your iPhone as well as in iCloud. Now choose the option that works best for your storage needs. And after turning on iCloud Photos, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. To go back to settings and go to Wi-Fi, so make sure you're connected to an internet. So your iPhone will start uploading your photos automatically in the background, depending on how many photos you have. So this may take some time. Also, make sure you have enough iCloud storage available. So if your storage is full, your photos won't upload. So you can check your storage by going back to iCloud settings and viewing your storage usage. So tap on storage to manage your storage. And once everything is set, your photos will continuously sync to iCloud whenever you take new pictures. And that's it. That's how you save all your photos on iCloud automatically. Thanks for watching.